So today I'm going to show you how to remove the battery in a Dell Latitude E5450. So if you just flip the case, the laptop over, and then we've got a few screws that you need to remove. I've already removed these screws, and then what you need to do once you remove the screws, there's a little indent there. Get a flathead screwdriver. So just pop that into the little hole there, and then just prise it open. Try and get your fingernails underneath. Once you've done that, just run your fingernails across the sides. There we go. Let's move that out of the way. Okay, as you can see, the battery's here. So let's proceed to remove the connector initially. So with the battery here, got a few screws that need to remove, and this cable here goes in over here. So just slide that up and then just pull it up. There we go. As you can see, connector's been removed. And start to remove the screws. So there we go, one done. Let's have a look. Oh, it's just two. Just two on this one. Right. And then if you just put your hands at the top and just slightly lift, and then you need to pull away from you. So there we go. And there we go, there's the battery. So buy yourself a new battery, pop it in at an angle, slight angle, and then just lay it down there, and then you need to clip it back in to the power connector on the motherboard, and then pop in the two screws, just like so. Number one and number two. There we go. And then pop the case back on, and then clip it down, and then pop in your screws. That's it. All done.